Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can unlock your drive if you have locked it with BitLocker encryption. Let's continue and navigate you through. First of all, open up your drive if you have any locked drive. For example, if you can see on my screen, there's a drive E which is locked with BitLocker encryption. So the first step is to do this is you need to just right click on it, go to unlock drive, and you have to enter your password to unlock it first. Before we remove the encryption, this is an important step. Alright, so once your drive is unlocked, now you can see the drive has been unlocked here. We can access the folders inside. But if you want to remove it permanently, so let's say if you restart your system got locked down, BitLocker encryption will lock it again. And if you would like to remove it permanently from drive, here are the steps to follow. Close the Windows Explorer browser. Go to the control panel. You can press Windows R and type here control and then hit enter. It will open up the control panel on your screen. From here, view by section, change it to the small icons. Now here we can find out the BitLocker encryption. So here in the top line you can see BitLocker drive encryption. You just need to click on it to open up the drives. And here by default it is come up with only C drive, so you can just collapse it. The drive that I have encrypted is data source, which is E, so I'm gonna expand this one, and from here there's an option turn off BitLocker. Just click on this turn off BitLocker and click again on this prompt, and here we go. Your BitLocker is decrypting. It will take some time to decrypt your drive, and once it is done, you don't need to enter your password again to unlock your drive. And this is how you can remove your BitLocker password from any one of your drive if you have that kind of setup on your Windows computer. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.